Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 audio or sound not working. First method is open sound icon, change volume levels. Second method is open search icon, type device manager in Windows search bar, click device manager. Click and expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click your audio device, click update driver. Click search automatically for drivers. Click search for updated drivers on Windows Update. If same error still exists, third method is, right-click your audio device, click Properties. Click Driver, click Rollback Driver, click OK. Fourth method is right-click your audio device, click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Check Show Compatible Hardware, select Updated Audio Device, click Next. Fifth method is right-click your audio device, click Uninstall Device. Close and restart system. Sixth method is click Start, Settings. Click System, click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Playing Audio. Seventh method is click Start, type Services in search bar, click Services. Open Windows Audio. Change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Eighth method is click Start, Settings, click Sound. Click More Sound Settings. Select Show Disabled Devices and select Disconnected Devices. Select your audio device, click Set Default. Click Properties, click Enhancements tab. Check Disable all enhancements, click Apply, click OK. Ninth method is click Search icon, type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK. Tenth method is click Search icon, type Restore Point in search bar, click Create a Restore Point. Click System Restore. Select previously created restored point. 11th method is click Start, Settings. Click Recovery. Click Reset this PC. Click Keep My Files. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.